Welcome to the first 21-year reunion of environmental engineering students and graduates at the University of KwaZulu-Natal. I am Prof Cristina Trois, I am professor in environmental engineering and SARChI Chair in waste and climate change. We are here today to celebrate 21 years of pioneering in environmental engineering in South Africa and in the world. And what better way to do it by reconnecting with you, the students and the graduates of UKZN, and asking how you've been shaping or are shaping the discourse in environmental sustainability over the past 21 years. I cannot believe that 21 years have passed since we introduced environmental engineering at the University of KwaZulu-Natal and in South Africa. And so I decided that there was a need to reconnect with the students, learning how they've been shaping the discourse in environmental sustainability over the years. So I've decided to organize a webinar. And I've invited some friends that have been really instrumental over the years to support the environmental engineering program at UKZN. Professor Glenn Bright, who is the current Dean and Head of School of Engineering at UKZN, Professor Neil Kurbanali, who is the current College Dean of Research at the University of KwaZulu-Natal for the College of Agriculture, Engineering and Science, Dr. Fulufelo Nelwondo, who is the current CEO of NRF, and Dr. Pierguido Sarti, the Scientific Attaché of the Italian Embassy to South Africa. During the webinar, we will discuss how you have been shaping the discourse in environmental sustainability over the years, but also will be an opportunity to reconnect with you and to know how you've been doing over the past 21 years. Some of you may be still in environmental engineering, others may have been shaping the world in other ways. What do I want to achieve with this reunion? Well, yes, of course, to meet with you again and reconnect. But most importantly, I would like to create a network, a platform of collaboration among pioneers in environmental engineering to transition the future generation of students and graduates into the profession. Now we're going to hear from the graduates how they've been shaping the world for the past 21 years.
Hi everyone, Aidan Bowers here. I'm from the class of 1999. Started my master's in 2000, so I was one of Christina's first ever students. So it really gives me great pleasure to be here 21 years later, and congratulations, Christina. I'm still very much involved in the waste sector. I'm based in Cape Town at the moment and doing work all over South Africa and Africa. We're doing some very interesting work in Rwanda at the moment. So, to all the students out there, this is a great career. What I'd like to get out of this wonderful alumni network is just the fact that, we can't do this on our own. We need to co-create solutions to some of the big problems that we're facing as humanity. And at the micro, there's problems that each of us need to solve in our communities that we can't do alone. So, by using this network and leveraging off all the skills that we all have and the unique talents, we can only make this world a better place. So yes, congratulations again, Christina, and it will be great to see you virtually on Monday, and all the best. Cheers.
Good morning from England, United Kingdom. I'm John T. Olsen. I was one of Christina's first master's students. I graduated in April 2003 after moving to the United Kingdom. My thesis was on the use of constructed wetlands to polish landfill leachate after biological treatment in a sequencing batch reactor. My message to future students is to enjoy your time at university. It'll be some of the best years of your life. Throw yourself into your work, build your passion and enthusiasm. When you leave university, maintain your ethics and integrity as an engineer in what you'll find is a very competitive and commercial world.
Greetings everyone, my name is Claudia Leucha. I moved to South Africa, 10 years ago to join Christina's team as a postdoc researcher working on green buildings and green infrastructure in South Africa. Since then my life changed completely. I'm currently working as a senior lecturer at the School of Built Environment and Development Studies. I'm both teaching and conducting research. And I'm involved in several research projects in the field of sustainable development and green infrastructure. I want to tell something to the future environmental engineers. Guys, you did the right choice joining Cristina's team. You not only you will be part of a very vibrant research group, but is also a beautiful family that will give you support and will help you to make the real change. Because be sure that the impact of your work through your research is huge. You will see that.
Good afternoon. My name is Ntomazane, and I'm a current master student. My topic is on developing a food waste management system for dewated pots utilizing the ROSE model, with the objectives of developing an aerobic digestion for agri-zone at dewated pots and developing of quality standards for digestate that's a byproduct. This project would shape sustainability discourse by encouraging adoption of anaerobic digestion in the commercial sector and the development of legislation concerning anaerobic digestion.
Hi everyone, congratulations Prof Choice on 21 years. That's a massive milestone. So congratulations to you and your team. My name is Winston Woodenberg and I did a postdoctoral fellowship in Prof Choice's lab around 2018 to 2019. Currently, I am a scientist at the SANBI, that's the South African National Biodiversity Institute here in Durban. And my message to environmental engineering students is to make every single day count. A successful life is a succession of successful years. A successful year is a succession of successful months. A successful month is a succession of successful days. So make every single day count. Make every single day count and your studies will be a success and you'll have a successful life. So all the best.
Hi, my name is Priyan Reddy. I'm a transportation engineer and smart mobility specialist at a company called Go Metro based in Cape Town, South Africa. My career involves designing sustainable mobility systems for cities around the world and looking at how we can decrease the carbon footprint and sustainably move people where they need to go.
Hi, I'm Osman. I'm with Bosch Projects and I'm based in Durban. I am the current CISA YPF National Vice Chairperson and I graduated with Prof at the end of 2014 with Masters. I am really looking forward to networking and learning more from the rest of you guys. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Yemisi Ilade. I graduated from UKZN in 2010. I graduated with a master's in environmental engineering and Professor Cristina was my supervisor. Currently, I'm in Ontario, Canada. I work as an independent contractor. I consult and work as a project manager. So right now my focus is on digital transformation with advanced technologies as artificial intelligence, big data analytics, cloud computing, and Internet of Things. I had a wonderful experience with Professor Cristina. During my time at graduate school, she was very supportive, very understanding. I mean, you know, as a supervisor, she was always there for me to talk to. And looking back through my journey and my career, I can actually say she made it easier for me to navigate my learning at the early stage of my career. So I celebrate her visionary work for these many years in environmental engineering, especially in waste management.
Good afternoon, my name is Chaitarji and I'm a current master's student. My current research is based on building a framework for a sustainable African city of the future. I am based in Durban at Howard College. My research is helping shape the discourse of sustainability by encouraging different stakeholders, which are municipalities and residences, to incorporate sustainable living in their lifestyles and operations.
I'm Joseph Kapuku Boapwa. I graduated under the supervision of Professor Choice and Prof Andraj in 2019 in April. My PhD study was based on producing a low carbon jet fuel from a marine algae species. From this gathering, I'm expecting to build up more collaborations, more networks, more friendships. To the future researchers, I just require you to throw yourself to the water. Learn how to swim in the water. Learning is a process. It could be a painful process, but the more you learn, the more you grow. And the more you grow, the more you become better. My motto is, if you can dream it, you can achieve it.
Hi, I am Dr. Surbhi Srivastva and I am from India. In 2019, I graduated with a PhD in civil engineering under the esteemed supervision of Prof Choice. Now I am in my second year of postdoc under the SARChI Chair in Waste and Climate Change Group. I'm very proud and happy to be part of this group. Fortunately, this group belongs to Prof Choice. I have strong belief that environmental engineering has power to sustain the world during the climate change events. At last, I would say that thank you, Prof, for shaping my career and unconditional support and love. I wish you a very happy birthday and many more 21 prosperous years.
Hi everybody, my name is Samira Kisun. I am a PhD student with Prof Choice. I am also a researcher in her group. My current focus is on developing climate change stabilization within the Garden Route District Municipality. I work particularly with the ROSE model. I've been with Prof Choice for a number of years so far, and I can gladly say that she's been quite the inspiration and an amazing woman to work with. I recommend for future students, put your faith in Prof Choice. She knows what she's doing, and she will really help you reach your fullest potential. Congratulations, Prof, on 21 years. We wish you all the best and many more in the future.
Hi everyone, my name is Andrea Delorto and I'm from Cagliari, the same hometown as Prof Choice in the lovely island of Sardinia, Italy, as you can see behind me. While finishing my master's in environmental engineering in Italy, in 2017 I first came to Durban for a short internship, and then Prof Choice offered me the chance to return for my PhD. So here I am, back in KZN. I'm researching the advancement of a double-stage anaerobic digestion system that treats organic feedstocks from the municipal waste streams, such as food waste and garden refuse. The ultimate goal of my research is to develop the technology so that it can be introduced as a novel scenario in the ROSE model and help South African municipalities choose and localize the most appropriate waste management system. I'd like to thank Prof Choice for believing in me and seeing my potential even beyond what I could see. To future or prospective students, I would say, trust Prof Choice. It's not going to be easy. She will push you and put you in uncomfortable spots, but these experiences will make you grow, become more competent students or researchers, and, more importantly, more mature people. Follow her lead, and many good things will come from it. Thank you again, Prof. I wish you at least 21 more years of successful career and happy birthday.
Hi, my name is Yasil Miraj. I completed my MSc in 2014 and I'm currently based in Durban. I would say that due to the nature of consultancy, I haven't been directly involved in the sustainability space over the last 7 years. However, I do believe that the principles of sustainability have shaped my perspective in both design and construction, and it's allowed me to consider issues more holistically and to develop better solutions.
Good day everyone, my name is Natanya Soya. I'm a professional civil engineer and I'm currently based at Mpumalanga, practicing at Mpumalanga as a professional engineer. I completed my PhD in 2020 under the supervision of Professor Cristina Trois and Professor Pelay. My area of research focused on biogas production through a renewable process by ensuring the use of renewable substance, just as cassava. I would like to thank Professor Cristina Trois for the opportunity she gave me, the guidance and the direction she gave the research. It enabled us to come up with a conclusive research on the aspect of biogas.
Hello everyone, hi Cristina, this is Vittorio from the beautiful city of Cagliari in Italy. And just to prove that, you can see from here the historic district of Castello. And if you turn on your left also, you should also see the beautiful Mediterranean Sea. So, let me introduce myself. My name is Vittorio Ramontin. I am a building engineer and currently I work as a sustainability and green building consultant in Italy. I was a postdoc under the supervision of Professor Choice at UKZN for about 2 years before joining the School of Engineering as a lecturer and later as a senior lecturer until mid-2018. And let me conclude just by wishing Cristina all the very best for at least further 50 years in pioneering in engineering all around the world. And most of all by wishing her happy birthday. And also a big hug to all my former colleagues and the staff of the School of Engineering. I really miss you all and hope to see you soon. Bye!
My name is Jonathan Olalo Gwang and I'm from Uganda. I'm a multidisciplinary engineer with the skills, experience and a passion to contribute to solving Africa and the world's waste, water and energy problems. I'm currently an engineer and a managing member at Africa Clean Project, which is a small consultancy which was set up to achieve the aforementioned goals. I'm also part of a design team under the Mgeni's Resilience Project where we are tasked with designing a green estate and 2 bridges to alleviate the effects of and combat climate change. And lastly, I'm also a project engineer at Defy Appliances where we're developing improved biogas appliances. I greatly acknowledge Prof Cristina Trois, who beyond the supervision of my master's and undergraduate theses, has supported me unconditionally throughout my career. She has always been there for me. She has always been available to pick up my calls, my late night calls, my persistent messages to talk about things like feces. She has given me the chance to grow and learn at something I really love and placed a lot of trust in me. She has always, and I believe will always be there for me. I wish her many more years and many more individuals whose lives she can positively change and to continue to leave a mark on this world of environmental engineering. Happy birthday, Professor Cristina Trois.
Hi everyone, my name is Giselle Pelay. I had just graduated with my civil engineering degree in 2019 when the pandemic hit. I decided to make use of my time in lockdown and be part of the first batch of Prof Choice's Waste and Resource Management coursework masters. My dissertation focused on the optimization of construction and demolition waste recovery systems within the eThekwini municipality. With Prof Choice's helpful guidance, I was able to complete my dissertation and I soon started working for JG Africa. Here, I am part of the JG Africa and USAID Resilient Waters team, where we are currently developing the National Fecal Waste Management Strategy for South Africa. I have also taken the role as a researcher to conduct a needs assessment of gender integration for sanitation partners in Africa, funded by the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. This will gather information on how to better facilitate women in the sanitation sector and reduce economic exclusion. I am truly grateful for all the opportunities Prof Choice has given me with completing my master's with her. I wish her all the success for the future.
Hello, I'm Johara Khan and I'm doing my master's in Waste and Resource Management at the University of KwaZulu-Natal. I'm also a scholar of Johnson & Johnson's Women in STEM 2D program. My research area is solid waste pollution in the Umgeni River in KwaZulu-Natal. And when this waste isn't managed properly, it washes into the Indian Ocean. And so in order to deal with this problem, Durban Green Corridors has installed a series of litter booms, which are floating pipes, at key locations along the width of the river in order to collect waste. And I aim to characterize this waste and then determine where it ends up after sorting. Subsequently, I hope to unlock potential routes for plastic waste treatment and valorization. My research will also be rooted in the wider context of climate change. I'm honored to be one of Prof Choice's students and by extension a part of this invaluable network. And I hope it leads to potential work and research collaborations. Thank you, Prof Choice, for the many opportunities and a very happy birthday to you.
I must say that environmental engineering has been always very popular over the years, with students from India, from Southern Africa, from North Africa, from Italy, from Europe in general, from UK, even from the US, and some of them stayed in South Africa. So they joined the profession or they became academics at UKZN or in other South African universities. Some of them instead came back to their own countries and became ambassadors of environmental engineering. We at UKZN are so proud of what the environmental engineering graduates have achieved over the years. We have a global footprint. Our students come from everywhere in the world, and they have gone everywhere in the world to practice environmental engineering. The recipe for success has 3 ingredients: good collaborators, good students, and of course, good sponsors. So I would like to acknowledge the colleagues and the collaborators that have assisted us over the years, my co-supervisors, and of course our sponsors. Without you, it would have not been such an incredible journey. And finally, last but not least, I would like to thank you, the students and the graduates of environmental engineering at the University of KwaZulu-Natal. Without you, this would have not been possible. So let us not wait other 21 years before meeting again. Let us create a network, a platform of collaboration of all the UKZN alumni in environmental engineering, so that we can open a discussion, we can support each other, and most importantly, we can assist our present students to transition into successful environmental practitioners or environmental engineers. Most importantly, we can continue shaping the environmental sustainability discourse for many years to come.